Live. Hey, 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 hey. I'm being a little quiet. We gotta turn the phone, baby. I'm in a restaurant right now, way above the ocean. Actually, right out of the ocean. Just calling to say hi. I heard Ash made an appearance on the Team Champions webinar. I missed it, of course, because I was out to lunch with my daughter, her fiance Chris, my beautiful girlfriend Lucci.
And so margarita.
Margaritas. Yes, one little margarita. Good, good, good. I don't drink a lot like y'all. Turn the camera, baby. She's drinking. But anyway, this is, hey, Red, what's happening? I'm trying to be like Red Redford. That's what's going on. So we're at Breakers. It's Breakers Bar. It's a seafood restaurant. We're having some oysters and all kind of great things. But once again, I'm promoting the laptop lifestyle. If you look, we're 2 stories up over the beach. Let me see. You can see the beach all over there. It's not real nice today. It rained all morning. I got a couple of rain days. I'm back. I just stopped now. So, but I just wanted to make sure you guys know I'm still here. Hi, Julie. What's happening? Sharon, what's happening? Jacqueline, how you doing? Red, I don't drink. Oh no, Red don't drink. Red, this one's for you, buddy. A nice margarita. Why are you raising the phone up? Huh? Lucci's fired from the camera.
She's trying to cheers with you.
She's trying to cheers.
I don't want to be on there.
Oh, say hey. Do the tongue. So we're having a good time. I know I will be coming home next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I think I don't want to, but I know I have to. I don't have to, but I want to, but I have to. I don't. You know how that works. Hey, Pat Parent, how you doing? But just to let you guys know, understand this. After we launch, 6 months to a year, and growing, this is the kind of life that you're going to want. Imagine just waking up in the morning and going whatever you want to do. You want to go buy a plane ticket to somewhere nice. Maybe you got a camper and you want to just travel around all over in your camper. It's pretty cool, but this is the options you're going to have. It's going to be non-stop beautiful. You get to find things that you never had before. You know, or you don't have to go to work anymore. Great restaurants. We've been hitting every great restaurant possible. I've been eating grouper, porterhouse, everything possible. And that's the lifestyle I've always wanted to live, but I had to work for 32 years to get that. You guys won't have to do that. Once it passes launches, it's going to be unbelievable, and you guys are going to have the greatest fulfillment life. And remember, again, I always say, now I'm having fun. Even around here, there's people that are homeless, people that are asking for help. That's most important to me. I love having fun, but I also want to help people out. So don't ever forget, that's the most important thing. Not sure what Ash had to say today because I wasn't able to watch it. So I'm hoping he had some great things. Hey, listener, what's happening? Kim Mills. Just keep positive. I know they're talking a lot about the marketing campaigns in a few weeks from what I'm hearing. That's really going to be cool. So, and I just want to tell you, I love every one of you. I want to show you a little bit. Red got to show you his laptop lifestyle in Mexico. I'm here in Florida. And that's really what it's all about, Lucci. Lucci likes to get me. But anyway, so you Red boy, we're going to have fun. Me, you, Red. Me, you, Jane, and Lucci, we're going to have a lot of fun. So you guys have a great day. It's cold, the hills are cold. But have a great time. You see, I'm having a great time. I'll be back next Tuesday or Wednesday, which I don't want to be. But I got to come home. I got all the stuff going on in my house. I got to get the floors done and all that. John White, how you doing, my brother? Julie Wen, you want to say hi to Julie? Here, hold on. Turn around. Waitress is here. Let go, though. Oh, baby, let go. Let go. The food is here. Show them what we're eating, Demo. What do we? Look at. Oysters. Oh yeah.
I want to remember with salt.
Guys, laptop lifestyle is the way to go.
You got it.
All right, I gotta go. Here's my beautiful waitress. What? Say hi to the world. You're global right now, all over the world. There you go. See that? Even the waitresses here are phenomenal. Don't forget to tip your waitresses too and your waiters. Good thing for me.
I'm so sorry.
All right, I gotta go. I love every one of you. I will say hi in the comments if I missed you.